Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So to replace the rear wiper blade, what you're going to do is pull this up and slide it out. And there's a little tab right here. We're going to push down on the tab like that, and then we'll slide the blade towards the vehicle, and the blade slides out. Slide it back in. Just slide the arm into the blade, pop it through like that, and put the arm back.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.